This year, admin has asked us to use the lockdown browser as we give case 21. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. First, you need to drag down on your iPad screen and search for lockdown. As long as this app shows up and is installed, you're good to go. If it's not installed, go to self-service and download the lockdown app first. As long as it's there, you can backspace and then search for Mastery Connect. You want to use the gray Mastery Connect so it uses the website and not the app. From there, you're going to type in your test ID and your student ID like you normally would to sign into your test. After you hit next, it's going to ask if you want to open this page in lockdown. You need to press open and it will begin your test in the lockdown browser so that you cannot leave that screen. If you need to pause your test during it, you can pause like normal. If you need to get out of the lockdown screen while your test is paused, you'll have to restart your device. Once you submit your test, it should automatically take you out of lockdown mode.